And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a couple of inbuilt AI photo features. I'm going to use this image of a motorbike rider. Go to AI Stylize and then check the box for style. AI Stylize only visible when you've got the photo active in the timeline. If it isn't, left click on it. These effects are categorized, just pick one, and when you left click on it, it's going to get processed. If it's the first time that you're doing it, you might have to confirm that CapCut uploads your photos. That's needed so that they can work on it on their servers. And it says that afterwards they're going to delete the photos. In this case, this has worked, but sometimes it doesn't. For example, here we have, as I've said, a motorbike rider, and if I use like a portrait effect, this shouldn't work. And then you get this warning message. So for specific effects, you need specific photos of humans, for example this one. Again, AI Stylize, I check for style, and I use the 70 score again. And there you go. It excludes or it isolates the woman in the image and then applies the style. Let me try 80s glam. It's the same principle. A couple of these features are actually animations. Particle, for example. Let me add the cosmic effect, and I add it to both images. So here would be the first one. And our motorbike rider are added as well. Particle, cosmic effect. And we played. So some of these effects are even animations. Try it out yourself, it's currently free to use. Hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.